Recording.
Hey, how are y'all today? We are in beautiful, bright, sunshiny Telico Plains, Tennessee. Skyway Market, that place has really gone downhill. It's too bad. The place was absolutely amazing when Helen's family owned it. Since then, not so well. So I'm going to show you some new pavement. If you've watched my other videos, you saw it, but I didn't get out to 360 the way I wanted to. So hopefully this video does better. We're on 360 North. So if you've been on 360 recently in the last 10 years, you know that the road is just crap, just pure crap. So to see new pavement is, it's really cool. South of Telico Plains, there's some roads that run parallel to 68, and they have new pavement on as well. I'm hoping to get out there and shoot some video. I'm running out of time. I'm running out of warm weather. Right now it's 61 in Telico Plains. It was 55 when I jumped on this bike at about 8:30. But you can see the lines in the road here. I hope you can see the lines. This road is just junk. Tennessee should have repaved this. It would have done them well. If the bike behind me follows me, I might just go out to Belltown and then back to 360, but we'll see. And he did. So this is what good pavement looks like. I wish they would put this kind of pavement down on 360. It's been needing it for at least 15 years. if the guy behind me is not smiling, there's something wrong. But I guarantee he has a big old smile on his face knowing he's not riding down 360. These farmers out here got to be so happy that they have a brand new paved road. All right, here's the stop sign. So it's only a two-way stop. So this road goes to a community called Belltown. And I'm looking for a paved road on the right. I saw it the last time I was down here and kind of ignored it. I'm thinking it is that one. I'm thinking it's that one. But that's okay. You guys get to see where this road goes.